In the dark of night, a wind stirred. As the spirits moved near, the sound of death came closer and left the pier unpure and unguarded. The line of terror that once was there came to resurface and check its way as the man in the drunken stool was there that slayed 100 of his men. Instead of taking God's way, this man decided that he was going to poison his drink and have his last will with him. They shared drinks, and he passed out in his dungeon. He tortured him for many hours, and then took the last, as he took the last breath, he reminded him of all the platoon people that were murdered in his wrath, and his best friend and brother. It was then this man knew how it was to truly be a good killer. I hope you like this excerpt of a horror story. This is what I do, and I hope that you guys like these. If I keep getting good views on these, I'll just, I guess, keep making them. But I know that a lot of this gets chopped off when I share it over as a reel, but I know that you guys on Snapchat can see the whole entire reel. So I am getting together my short stories and stuff. I'm waiting on my MacBook, and I'm going to go start looking at the links and everything. And I'm going to share where my stories will be once I get this better computer. So here's just a sample of some of my work, and thank you for listening.